What you watching? Hat.
Coco.
Cracker.
Coco. Cheese. Mama. Mama.
Who? Barney? Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination. He only comes on in the morning. TV? Yeah, in the morning. Where's your cracker? Where's your cracker? No, not Barney right now. Cracker? I know. It's too bad we can't watch Barney. Too bad. I'm sorry. In the morning. Okay? Yeah, in the morning. When we wake up. Barney in the morning. Yeah. 1, 2. That's right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Yeah! Woohoo! Okay.